Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and have you ever wanted to watch TV late at night without waking up the entire house? Or maybe you just wanted to tune out distractions and immerse yourself in a movie? Well, it's incredibly easy to connect your favorite Bluetooth headphones directly to your Fire Stick, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how. Alright, so first thing, you just put your device in Bluetooth pairing mode, so you just hold on the Bluetooth button, and that will be the first step. Now you guys will have to go to your settings, which you just go all the way to the right. It's going to be this icon right here. Click on it, and then it's going to go down to where it says controllers and Bluetooth devices. Now once you're here, go to other Bluetooth devices, hit add Bluetooth device, and as long as your device is in the pairing mode, which once again you just hold the power button or the Bluetooth button on most devices, it should pop up. For me, I have the 1000 XM5s, so I'm going to click on this, and then it gives me a notification at the bottom that my device is now connected. So once it is connected, that's it. And look, you guys can actually control the headphones with your Fire Stick remote, so it's still like a TV, but all the audio is now inside your headphones. So just as an example, I'm going to put on, my personal Netflix that I have right here, which is Jellyfin, which I am going to do a guide on, and we're going to go ahead and play one of my own videos that I have. And with the volume, the volume is muted. Right now we have full audio inside of our headphones, and there is nothing coming out the TV at all. So if you want to watch this, in somebody's sleep, or you want to just, be in a room and not have a loud TV, you can have this directly in your headphones, and that is it, guys. So I hope you really enjoy this quick tip because it's super easy, super simple, and you can do it in less than 1 minute. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you don't mind, just please go ahead and like the video, subscribe, tell me what you guys want to see, and I will show you guys in the next video. But anyway, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.